So I first talked about the stock in the month of December, and afterwards I made a couple of videos on this. And the stock since then has already moved by 480%. So it's been a phenomenal rise in the last 1 or 2 months. Now I definitely suggest you to check all my previous videos to have a sense of a trend. And in this video, what we are going to discuss is how the trend has moved and what we are going to expect in the upcoming weeks as well as in the upcoming months. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the long-term chart of Onconova Theory Optics. And if you're looking at this chart, what you can see, so let's go to the line chart. So and let me tell you, when the stock moved by 480 or 490% in a span of 2 months, so obviously you can expect some volatility on both the side and more specifically on the downside. Okay, so to manage that, you should understand first your support level, which is your stop loss as well in this case. So you have your support as well as your stop loss at 1.2. So if the stock falls below 1.2, there is no need to carry any further trend on the downside. Now if you are looking at this trend, okay, now one more thing, maybe the price chart has not adjusted if the split has happened, but it does not change the trend. So you can see some big figures, so you need not to bother about that. Okay, and anyhow we are not going to talk about $2,400, so it hardly makes any difference. Now if I draw a line like this, if I'm using line chart, and if I draw a line like this, what you can see here is a breakout which has already happened. So it's a I would say it's a positive trend, or it is the trend which one should focus on. Now because the stock is sustaining above 1.2 and it has already broken above the trend line, so the next thing which we are going to expect is obviously on the long side. So the targets that we are looking for the time being in this particular stock are something like this. So our approach should be, we are going to take individual steps as far as targets are concerned, and once the stock makes a move up or against up or above the target level, then obviously we are going to reanalyze it. Okay, so in this case, so as I told you, 1.20 will be your stop loss. Okay, so you have your first target at 1.75, although it is very near, but it is very important. Okay, the stock must surpass 1.75. After 1.75 you have 4.79, and it can extend up to 10.85 or $11 on the upside. So this is what we can see in this particular chart for the time being, and we will reanalyze it once the stock makes it move in the upcoming weeks as well as in the upcoming months. So this is the end of the video, and if you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.